The Emscher Genossenschaft and Lippe-Verband manage the water resources of Europe's largest metropolitan area. This area encompasses 800 distributed plants and systems, including 59 wastewater treatment plants that reconcile residential, commercial and traffic needs with the requirements of flood and water basin management, as well as of environmental conservation.
The water industry is facing major challenges. Digitalization is not just a buzzword, but it is also being put into practice at our company. Digital transformation is a big topic, and for that reason, of course, it requires several starting points. We have decided to work with a partner, Siemens, where we thought we can start from our reliable collaboration of many years and take big steps towards the future together. Because, for example, we want to use the VPCS system, that is, the Virtual Process Control System from Siemens, in our plants, in all of our plants. And we operate over 800. We're on the way there and very well underway. We have a control system with virtualization, which means that you separate the software from the hardware location. And that's why this is, of course, a great step for us. For you first, but also for us. And another point is definitely the plant engineering design that is using plant site as an engineering system, where at the end of the day you can bring the entire landscape together and get a complete picture. With this plant site concept, both partners benefit. One partner brings the technical know-how to the table. We, as a large operator of wastewater plants, really stress first operating our plant systems safely, of course operating processes safely, but also operating them efficiently to save resources. In the end, it's also about money, because we have to be cost-effective in our operations.
Joining us is one of our sales representatives, Andre.
Every water management association has its own specific and unique challenges, and it's the same at the Emscher Genossenschaft. We've definitely had a few technological challenges. There's the VPCS that's hosted centrally in Essen, Germany, but the controller is located sometimes 40 or 50 kilometers away at another wastewater treatment plant. We also had to find a way to connect the control system and the VPCS via public networks. That was pretty challenging, but we figured it out and it's running really well, I have to say.
We've set up a long-term reinvestment program that'll now run for the next 15 years, that we spend considerable sums on every year to equip the plants for the future. And then, of course, we're doing this with modern, forward-looking technology.
We are committed to offering systems that can really be applied, what you call ease of use for the next generation too. What's the benefit of modernizing and converting systems in a plant? That you don't do the same thing over again, but you try to incorporate things like virtualization to simplify services in the future. This saves electricity, improves water quality, improves workflows and makes operations easier, to the extent that in some cases I can even organize and convert certain operational procedures using an AI-supported system. This is very important for critical infrastructure. So, with this in mind, I'll emphasize that we also work in an absolutely secure data environment. And in Siemens, of course, we have a partner who is very committed to data security. And finally, and here we've come full circle, we also have to bring our employees on board and explain how this digitalization project is not just an end in itself, but adds actual value. Employees who contribute to improvements in areas like sustainability are highly motivated and really give their best.
And that's why we are also really enjoying working with the Emscher Genossenschaft.
And you have the right men on the team.
And the right women in our organization as well.
And the whole team at Siemens. Thank you.
Thanks for your support. Thanks so much.